Dr. Taylor joining us today, and would you do that?
Yeah, oh, absolutely. I think that'd be a great time.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I don't know. My wife does for sure. So yeah.
Yeah, because you always hear, I don't, and this is me too. I don't believe in ghosts, but let me tell you my ghost story.
Yeah, exactly.
Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you for having me. Glad to be here.
Yeah, it's been a joy getting to know you in the green room. Integrated medical practice. What is an integrated medical practice?
So it's something that not everybody's familiar with. Basically, we take the best in conservative pain management, like chiropractic care, therapeutic exercise, and we combine that with a medical staff to help us in the areas where some patients might need more than just simple conservative care. So we have a full medical staff, nurse practitioner team, all those folks to help us do a whole ton of other types of things in this practice. So two practices working together on the same patient.
Yeah, and you know, the name says a lot about what you do with patients every single day. True wellness.
Yeah, so we have a wide array of services, whether you're in pain, you just want to find the best chiropractor in Chattanooga or the best chiropractic team, spinal decompression for non-surgical cases, for disc issues and things like that, or allergy, medical weight loss, all the orthopedic biologic joint injections possible. So there's tons of things that we can help patients with.
Yeah. Pain. You know, I know that's hard to manage.
It is.
And, you know, for a viewer right now sitting at home and they're watching this and they've tried everything, what would you tell that viewer?
Well, I would say give us a call. Yeah. Come in and let us see what we can do for you. So we've built really strong networks and relationships in the community. We know every group, every practice, every doctor out there, and can help those patients either quarterback their case or give them a solution that maybe they haven't tried, whether that was through simple corrective exercise, non-surgical spinal decompression, or chiropractic care. Let us take a look at you and talk to you and see, you know, what have you been through and what do we think that you could benefit from with us. So,
yeah, you know, we all have choices, right? And there's some choices out there. Talk to us about what separates you guys. I'm looking at this beautiful facility, and when you walk in, you feel like you're somewhere for sure, and that's the first step.
Yep.
Feeling comfortable.
Oh, absolutely. Well, our motto is you're in the right place, and when you walk in, there's a sign on the wall that says that same exact thing. So we have an amazing staff that have been through all the types of education and courses you could ever imagine, but are just loving on patients. We've been fortunate enough to have been in town for 12 years at this location off of Shallowford Road. So we have built a wide patient base. We are always best of the best chiropractor in Chattanooga. We thank our patients and our staff for that as well, for voting us for that. But yeah, I think that if you walk in, you'll know immediately from the welcome and the greeting to the laughter and the things that are happening in the practice that you're in the right spot.
Earlier, I was looking at some of the reviews. Incredible, very positive reviews. One thing that caught my attention, physical medicine and surgical medicine, and we've got about 40 seconds left. What do you mean by that, physical medicine and surgical medicine?
Well, physical medicine is like any type of corrective exercise or chiropractic care, right? Anything that's done to the patient. We don't do surgery in our office, but we do non-surgical types of therapies, things that are like joint injection based. So if you've got arthritis, if you've got a shoulder problem, a hip, a knee, or any of those kind of things, we can absolutely help, whether that was with viscosupplementation like hyaluronic acid, PRP, A2M. There's a lot of biologic things that we can help with to help a patient both heal from the outside in and the inside out.
The last 12 years, it's unbelievable how you have helped patients in our community. Like you said, best of the best, and 500 plus positive Google reviews. I didn't see one single bad review.
Yeah, we're very proud of that. We work very hard.
Yes, you do. Yes,
Thank you very much.
We so appreciate you. I know you're a busy man, and we'll let you get back to your patients. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. TrueWellnessChattanooga.com. Here's a telephone number for more information.